100%. I ain't gonna wash my brushes yet. I didn't feel good. Can't really get back home. So let's get this video started and over with. Huh? Is it pretty? Look at this soft pink. Yeah. You know the result? I can show you the after. So I finished and I had it home and I can see it all tomorrow. You good? Yeah, you good? Yeah. She booked from another client of mine that was coming to me. She wanted to come to me, and she's like, "Oh, she made her look." So
I didn't see it yet, and I know it looked good.
and it's gone. When I gone eyelashes, I used to wash it rough. Put it together. That's defeat you on purpose. What I don't know. That's squeezing your fingers together. I know I drowning you.
Hmm?
I know I drowning you. Right.
It might forehead.
Sticky cast. It's keep it good though, but it's leave a cast on it. It's small restaurant. This one here, I didn't mean to buy this. Look down again. I fixed my hair because I don't want it to look like if I don't love myself, so I fixed my hair. But I about to go and get something to eat from Cape Shepherd. I'm gonna try this garbage first, not this garbage can. Let me go get something to eat. Then I go get something to eat from Cape Shepherd, and I have to go and put an outfit to wear to brunch tomorrow. So I kind of already know what I want, but if I can't find it for like a reasonable price, I ain't really buying it. Them dresses that like back trending, that got like it's like a floral or according to them Indian print, and it's like a long dress. The straps and they like cut here. That's what I want to wear. But I see people selling it for like $110 and $135. And me personally, I would not be buying it for that price. Like, not if it's not necessary. So because I got some of them in my car and Shein to buy, so I just want something quick. Somebody tell me about somewhere I could get the nails at in my studio is telling me where I could get them from for like, she said 60 or 80. So if it's 60, I would get it. If it's 80, I'll think twice to go there. It ain't bad though, to be honest, but we can see. We're gonna get some food. I was not trying to get food from there, but Shepherd, but I know call my grandmother because you know that we used to call your grandmother, and she told me that I'm in Broad Street. I ain't Broad Street. My studio in Broad Street. So I was like, what? Why you want to go home? Like, take me home. I actually partner going. They're gonna get fat. We don't know I don't eat that. So I was like, oh, I ain't trying to get food, but then I don't eat fat. So she was asking she didn't want me to go Kentucky. I can't see, but she's called Kentucky. It's Kentucky, but who's called that? But I say yeah. Even though I don't really want that, I would prefer Keep the food, but I don't want to go long, so I'm just going to get my bag. I'm going to reach out my garbage. Thank you. And go long and get the KFC. Hey besties, it's a new day and I'm going to brunch. It's Sunday. I got here on my lip and my forehead need fixing, but I kind of in a rush. I have to go and get outfit now, but the outfit coming from somewhere close to where the brunch is, so yeah, very chaotic, very on brand for me. But again, see y'all probably when I get there, or I don't know, I'll make sure y'all when I get the outfit. Why I got the mirror in my hand? Why do I have the mirror in my hand? I know I could barely see because I put on these lashes over these, but a lash in my eye, like a double lash in my eye. But we get here to Landhurst Mall, and I go in this store, Vibrant, and the first thing that I see look cute, like anything, because we ain't already got that kind of time to waste. I never take such a short amount of time to shop yet. Oh shoot, I hit the wrong car. I can't see. How I look? Okay, it's a little busty, but I ain't gonna try to fix that when I get there. Look cute. I can show you the whole thing probably when it later.
These are really cracking me off. YouTube, like the editing is long.
Yep, it is very long.
Because you can see people viewing it. Like it's harder to get them. Yeah, there is a lot of.
But like Barbados is very like laid back when it comes to planning events.
Yeah.
So it's like the other day I got invited to this band launch, media launch. But they invited me the day before, the night.
To be honest,
before.
Like, it's like the same at home. Which is really
I have a life.
How dare you?
I was like, what would you think I'm available for last minute? Like,
Yeah.
you couldn't say I have nothing else going on.
I get you.
It's really hard here. Oh, but the I don't know if you know.
He's always like shouting and he's like proper like New York.
Before,
Working with them like household name brands that brings that.
which is what I'm trying to achieve.
Like last year I worked with, they don't even have to do it, but like Uber and it's like a healthcare company. That was my biggest page up last year, like a healthcare company.
You did
Yeah, like things like laundry.
But that's another thing. A lot of them are like doing these partnerships with companies, but the company can't post the video or whatever.
Yeah.
But they're still getting paid like 200K, and I'm like,
Wow.
you know what 200K can do for me right now? Like, that's crazy.
Yeah. And I think she got photos more than me. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, probably engagement right there.
Shit like that.
Like, think about all the time in my brain, because I'm like, I'm not a celebrity to me, but people I clearly have, and I'm like, really?
It's hard though. It's a hard balance, but I don't know. Some people get really
The Park Cafe, as y'all already know.
Yeah. Now just turn around and walk away from me. Bye.
And if you don't have a friend to give you directions on how to pose, then you don't have a friend.
Concentrate on the content. Get out of the way.
We haven't done in my vlog yet.
Alright guys, we went to Savvy. They're still there. I come to go home to get my bathing suit and come back. I wait for the bus, and it looks like a van kind of actually. No, that ain't my van. I don't think. I can't see that far. But if it is, I can get that. Go and get my bathing suit, and oh, it'll be a van though, because then I will get home faster than the bus. But regardless, I get my bathing suit and put it on and come back down. I just want to tell y'all, but I had came home and I changed my clothes. I put on a bathing suit and I went back to the beach. I think I told y'all that. So anyway, I almost home and yeah, these eyelashes look atrocious. Oh my gosh! And I'll put out and rip my eye. Cause I forget I got on. Oh my gosh! Forget I got on Novas on the hair, but it's like only like a few sprinkles of Novas, but the glue clearly get on the Novas. So yeah, but I am at home. This is the end rate for tonight, so I can see y'all tomorrow. Maybe don't really got much going on tomorrow because tomorrow's Monday and I off, but you'll see what tomorrow holds. The stuff I have to do tomorrow is on my phone and stuff like that. I used to get an iPad, but it's for my Influence Stars Club, so I ain't really nothing to like show or anything, but we can see what I gotta do tomorrow. Thank you, kind sir. No, this is good. Taste so full? And this guy jelly too. And I'm right ready to. What you gonna do that? .430 edition of. Let me tell you what. Like that, you can get it from a grandpa. See, I'm gonna do it on the platform. Hi guys, it's the next day and I'm on my way to the geriatric hospital to meet my grandmother. We're going to see my uncle that is in there. Yeah. So we're just gonna see how he's doing. I don't know. I don't know. I want to go and see him because it's my uncle and like obviously I love my uncle, but at the same time I don't like to see like people I care about in that kind of like setting situation kind of thing. But anyway, we're gonna see him. That's what we're gonna do. I don't really got anything else planned for the day. Too major. It's a pretty chill Monday. Tomorrow though, I ain't too sure. I'm not sure. I gotta check tomorrow. I'm not sure tomorrow in Google, but yeah, I reached 1 million likes on TikTok. I might take myself to Starbucks tomorrow. That's what I might do. But if I go to Starbucks and I go with Crystal, the issue is that we never just go one place. But I feel like I want to go to Starbucks tomorrow and probably just get something like to eat or something. So we can see how that goes. Yeah. Hey besties, as y'all saw, it was at work, but now I'm leaving work, so I'll see y'all when I get home. I think maybe, I don't know. I haven't got anything else going on today, just work. See how I look, a mess. But I ain't work. I came home. Bye. Hi besties. It's a new morning. It's a new day, and I am on my way to the hospital. I didn't record yesterday, but yesterday I went to the clinic for a number of reasons, but I've been sick for about 3 weeks now, so I'm just trying to figure out what's going on with me. So yeah, I on my way to the hospital in the clinic yesterday, evening time, and I left about night time, and now I'm on the way to the hospital, so I have to get a x-ray done, and I have to get an ECG done. If you don't know what an ECG is, it's basically like a heart test. So yeah, let's go. We can't really record in the hospital though, but let me go and let me see how fast I can get through, because it's like 11 something and it has to be for the x-ray for 12, but I ain't that far, so yeah, I should get there before 12 o'clock, and then I come straight back home because I don't feel good. Like, I barely know I smell, but I don't feel good. And the more that I walk and the more that I out and about, the worse I can feel. So I'm trying to hurry and get back so I could take my medication and lay down and sleep for the rest of the day. While I'm at the hospital though, I'm going to try to get some work done for the Infamous Stars Club, and I'm going to try to post on my makeup page and everything, so that when I do come home and take the medication and I'm knocked out, I don't have to get back up to do anything. You see me? But anyway, I'll see y'all either when I get to the hospital, whatever the case may be. Hi besties, it's the next day and no, I did not come back. But guess what? I still ain't back at the clinic. So I didn't know what I had to come back to the clinic, because they already said I had to come for a review in 2 days, and today's Saturday, so that's 2 days. Like a taxi day. But then maybe I'm looking in my direction, and as a woman, maybe I need to check out your friggin' eye more than me. But I headed to work to get a taxi to the walk. Bye. He's gonna get a taxi, so and did you know how to get a taxi no pass me? I think we all start talking to it, but I tried to get a taxi so I don't go walk. But I didn't walk till I said taxi. I actually didn't know I can stop walking because I definitely don't feel good, like at all. There's a taxi here. Yeah, but he turning so he ain't gonna see me. It's a taxi, taxi, taxi. But what I'm saying is, I just don't feel good, and I walked to the doctor's office to the front of the clinic, barely like just get the part of the pharmacy is, and I was out of breath. I was like, so I don't feel good at all, but I already had a clinic booked, so I gotta go work. It really won't clinic thankfully because I ain't got nobody else being that I'm not well. I'm supposed to be on sick leave, but when you work for yourself. Anyways, so I ain't taking nobody else, so just gonna work quick. I actually got something I want to do in town. I can do one time I can be in town. So I just do that quick and do my client at 5 o'clock. I just like 8 minutes to 4. So I still got something to kill. So I can do that real quick and do my client, wash all the brushes I gotta wash. Actually no, I'm not like that. Unless I get that done before the client comes. But anyway, we can see. And I got close to go home and rewash because I washed them already, but I didn't hang them up. So there was just any basket, so I want to rewash them. So we can see. I'm gonna show them later. Fit chat. Even though you don't feel good, you still try to look good. I got how my slaves that my honey got me. Jeans and this top. Cute. And my shades. And my jewelry. And my work bag. Let's go. Okay, besties, it's Sunday, the next Sunday, which means, yeah, this vlog been going on too long. But anyway, this is the last day of this vlog. It's Sunday, so Sunday means what? Cooking, yeah. Anyway, that's the way I eat and everything. I want to bake a cake that I've been wanting to bake a couple of days now, because, like, since I've been sick, I've been craving a lot of sweet things. I'm not pregnant, don't do too much in my comments. But I've been craving sweet things, like my mom always feel like it always tastes like bitter, like it tastes weird, so I always want something sweet. So I was supposed to bake that cake a couple of days ago, but then I realized I didn't have enough eggs. I literally only had 1 egg left, and I thought I had 3 eggs, so I had to buy eggs today. And I'm gonna go bake the cake. And when I'm outside because it's getting dark and the lighting inside is bad, and I don't want to put on my phone light because then it's hurt my eyes, and then when I done record, I can't see nothing properly. Right, so you'll see. But again, I bake the cake. I also want to put some clothes to wash that I was supposed to wash before, but I didn't. But we can see if that can be this vlog, because the vlog needs to be edited. I already kind of finished cut the clips of the rest of the vlog. I just got to add on this part, and I also just got to add on like the words and different things, because I'm trying to step up my content. So yeah, some by some, not too much on me, just some by some. But I also trying to do longer vlogs, trying to aim for an hour. But yeah, I just think I haven't been doing well. Like January, like it started off good in terms of money, like financially it started off good, but like I haven't been well, and that's another reason why you need to have more than one source of income. Because like when I can't go to work and do makeup, I need to be able to make money some way somehow. So exactly, you need to have more than one source of income, which I do. So yeah, so that's why I don't really mind being home that much. And yeah, the only thing I mind is that I ain't get to like really, y'all know I do got brunch or I go the different places either with myself or with one of my friends, but I haven't been able to go anywhere because I just been in the house. And all of a sudden I come outside, beer cars walk past. But it's been in the house, and I also been, yeah, just been in the house. And the few times I had to work, I went to work because like clients I already have booked. And yeah, but I want your guys like opinion on something, so I hope you make it to the end of this vlog so you can give me your opinion. But I want to do a Valentine's event. First thing I need to know is if you would attend. Don't comment if you know you really ain't ever planning on attending, but if you would attend, then let me know. I also want you to let me know what you would love to see in a Valentine's event. I was thinking of doing a sip and paint, but a lot of people doing sip and paints. I mean, I would decorate my legs and everything, but is there any other thing you would want aside from a sip and paint? Like, is there any other event Valentine's related that you would want within a good price range? Because if it can cost me enough money, I can go charge me enough money to come. So be reasonable and drop y'all opinions. If you would attend, let me know. And even if you wouldn't attend, still give me some ideas on what I could do for an event that wouldn't be too costly, so that I don't have to put like the ticket prices too costly. So just let me know that. Just let me know that. But this coming week, I got a couple things to do, but we can see. I'm supposed to have a partnership to do Tuesday, but I need to confirm that when I finish here. My stomach is rumbling and bumbling, but I need to confirm that, so we can see what this next week got to hold for us. But for right now, done talking, and we can just go and bake this cake. And since I will not be coming back on the camera when I finish bake the cake, let me just say now, thank you guys for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Even if you was like, oh, this vlog could be longer, still give it a thumbs up. That let me know that like, yeah, you still like enjoy it. If you're subscribed, I love you. Thank you for being a part of my family and being my bestie. If you made it to the end of the video, comment pink hearts. All the different pink hearts. Comment all the different pink hearts. That's how you made me to the end of this video. But I'll see you guys in the next one. I love you. Bye.